If you have the Samsung S25 Plus, this is a great case for you if you're looking for extra protection. This is the Subcase Unicorn Beetle Pro military grade gear. It's going to be very nice and strong for you. And also, I love that green color. That's really nice. It's got little rubber bits to protect it if it falls flat. It's got rubber on the side, air bags basically, to keep it from getting damaged if you drop it on the corners. And so we're going to put the phone in. There's two ways that you can do this. There is the way with the film on the front, so it still works with all of your touch screen, being able to touch the touch screen, and also the fingerprint scanner still works through that. So you can put that on your phone first. So you put that on your phone first, or you could do it without. If you didn't want that protective film on there, you can just use this right here. So it has the frame already on it. And we're going to take this thing out. So you're going to put your phone in here. And just really nice, just nice grip to it. There we go. Just get it all around the sides there. And it's in. So yeah, this is a very strong case. Plus it has a kickstand on it. So you can watch your videos or do whatever, just like have it set like that in landscape or in vertical mode. You can pop it back there. All the cutouts and just like cool like little designs all around it. Flap on the bottom to protect your USB-C port and a spot for like a wrist strap. Good grips on the sides. And it also comes with this right here. So if you want to clip it onto your belt or something, you can put your phone in. They recommend, because there's felt right there, they recommend that you put it in screen first, so like that. So it protects your screen all around. And I mean, if you didn't want to do that, you can always do it the other way as well. So you put it in like this and it pops into place. I like on this back part too, this turns not like easily, so it won't turn on you unless you really turn it. So it's a clip. Goes on your belt or your bag or whatever. Just really nice to have all those options. So great quality. This will keep your phone safe from all areas, especially if you use the protective film here. But really nice quality. Highly recommend it. And thanks for watching.